Why do 70% of people struggle with reaching their goals? The answer lies in one powerful trait: self-control. Proverbs 25:28 says, "A person without self-control is like a city with broken down walls." Think about that. Without self-control, we leave ourselves wide open to chaos and regret. But with it, we gain wisdom, resilience, and peace. Imagine standing on a mountain peak, looking out over the vast expanse of nature. Like those mighty mountains, self-control helps us stand strong against life's storms. It's not about denying yourself joy, it's about guiding yourself to lasting fulfillment. So next time you're tempted to react without thinking, take a breath. Remember, self-control isn't a restriction, it's a pathway to freedom. If you found this video inspiring, be sure to hit subscribe and join our journey to unlock more wisdom. You'll be the first to know when new insights drop. Thank you for watching, and may you find strength in every step. Until next time, stay wise, stay strong,